Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Hearthstone on Steam Deck. Launch Steam, add the Blizzard launcher as a non-Steam game, enable Proton Experimental, and set launch options to force compatibility. Install Battle. Net through the launcher, sign in, and let Hearthstone update. Use desktop mode for initial setup, then switch back to gaming mode. Test run the game, adjust performance profiles, and map any control changes before playing a full match. In this video, I will explain how to play Hearthstone on Steam Deck. Adjust the deck's power profile by lowering TDP and capping frame rates for longer sessions. Reduce in-game graphics like textures and shadows to improve stability without losing card clarity. Close background apps and set Steam OS to performance mode only when necessary. Monitor temperatures and tweak fan curve if you experience thermal throttling during extended play sessions. In this video, I will review how to play Hearthstone on Steam Deck. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, perfect for marathon ladder climbs and clutch comebacks, and it fits neatly in your dock or carry bag. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you play Hearthstone on Steam Deck. Combine touchscreen input with a custom Steam input action set to handle card targeting and quick emotes. Map common actions like end turn and concede to accessible buttons to avoid accidental plays. Tweak HUD scaling and enable a controller cursor for smoother menu navigation. Practice in casual matches to refine your bindings so you can focus on strategy instead of controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.